Now, there are many questions surrounding the coronavirus, including whether or not it's safe to travel right now.
As cases increase across the U.S., many travelers are on high alert.
And reporter Kent Letson has more on what airlines are doing to reduce exposure while in the clouds. Kent?
The impacts of the coronavirus outbreak continues to evolve daily, leaving many travelers and spring break goers concerned if it's safe to fly or not.
Everyone's keeping to themselves a little bit more space than usual.
My company, this is actually the last trip I can take for a while. We're actually doing a travel lockdown.
To combat these mixed emotions, airlines are taking action and stepping up their hygiene practices. For example, Delta is wiping down check-in kiosks multiple times a day. They're even encouraging customers to download the Fly Delta app on your phone so that you don't have to touch other surfaces. United Airlines says flight attendants will now wear gloves during food and beverage service. And Southwest Airlines is giving lavatories extra attention, using hospital-grade disinfectant to clean the bathrooms.
I would think they probably should do that anyway, and probably during flu season, during things such as these sort of outbreaks and so forth, little extra due diligence would probably be a good idea.
And for those relying on their own hygiene practices and bringing their own disinfectants, read the label. Depending on the brand, it can range from 30 seconds to a few minutes to kill bacteria.
I'm very cautious not to touch things, wash my hands as frequently as possible. There's a lot more Germ-X out, I see, so definitely take advantage of that.
Health officials are reminding flyers to think of their neighbors as well. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends older adults and those with underlying health issues avoid long plane trips and crowded spaces.
We want to make sure that they're taking every precaution to prepare themselves so that if there is more widespread transmission, they can sit close to home.
In terms of other hygiene techniques, United Airlines will soon start using an electrostatic fogger to disinfect the air and surfaces within the cabin of incoming international flights. In Omaha, Kent Letson, 3 News Now.
Multiple airlines are also offering a fee to change your plans regardless of when you purchase your ticket or where you're traveling. So make sure to contact the airline to find out those options.